Hey, what's going on, guys? Jordan here, back with another video. Today we have another sneaker unboxing. We got something special coming in. Can you guys see that tape over there? Can you guys see the tape over there? Let me know. We got a special package coming in from Nike. Hit these on Nike sneakers. Not only that I hit them on Nike sneakers, I got early access to them off of Nike sneakers. So, no time to waste. We're grabbing the knife. We're cracking the knife open. We're getting into it. I don't know which way this is. I'm going to assume this is the top of the box. And we're just going to get right into it. Go ahead. One side done. Crack the other. Try to do a nice cut down the middle. And we're in. Should be able to just peel the rest. Hopefully I don't cut myself. We are good. I almost cut myself on camera. One of the past videos, I kind of sliced my finger, but you guys see what I see? Do you guys see what I see? What do we got here? What do we got here? What recently came out on Nike sneakers that was a Jordan 1 with all these colors, and did this shoe have early access, exclusive access? I think so. So if you guys don't know what these are yet, I'm just gonna say the colorway. What is the actual colorway? The actual colorway is multicolor black. That's all it says. These are size 11. I just went for my size because I didn't know how hard they were going to be, so I figured I'd just go for my size. And it was a success. So we're gonna go ahead and crack the lid off. And you guys see the paper. Put the lid down. I don't know where I'm putting the lid. We're just put it over here. Gotta be fragile with this stuff. This stuff is important. Got the crazy paper going on right here, as you guys can see. Pull, and now we got the regular paper. And you guys can start to see what we got going on here. What we got going on here is a J Balvin Air Jordan 1s. Now, I'm gonna be honest. I am not a J Balvin fan. Of course, I know who he is. But I don't listen to Spanish music, of course, but I know who he is, and I know his shoes, his Jordan 1s, are insane. These are insane. So I'm excited, as you guys can tell, to have these in hand. Not only are of course, the Jordan 1s, J Balvin Air Jordan 1s, they, of course, were relatively hard to get, but I got exclusive access to them on Nike sneakers and got in and off of the app, whatever day it was, within a minute, and I had them. So these are crazy. So let me put the box down, take the other shoe out of the box, so we can talk about them. I'm gonna put the shoe down right there, nice and easy, on top of the Supreme Oreos. Go ahead, take the other shoe out, fold the paper over. Try to fold the paper over. We're going to set the shoe down over here real quick. And we're just going to put the box over here. Grab the shoes. And here they are, the J Balvin Air Jordan 1s. We'll get a quick up close of the sneakers. You guys can see all the crazy, like, weatherman vibes going on the shoe with the pink outsole. I'm not gonna lie, I thought the outsole was white for the longest time, and then I noticed when the official pictures came out that it was pink, and I was like, that's fire. I thought it was white, but it's pink. It's like a very, very light pink, and it looks good. I think the tongue has a little bit of white, or a little bit of pinkish to it as well. So as you guys can see, the pink bottoms right there. But I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna put this shoe down, and we're just gonna talk about it for a second. So we're just gonna set the shoe down right here in the corner like that. So the J Balvin Air Jordan 1, and I believe this comes off. Yep, it is the patch. It'd be cool if they made it the material where these could like stick anywhere if you really wanted them to, like on the toe box of them. But it's cool. I don't know if they come with any. They do. We'll get into that later. Okay, so the this is all like obviously this is not leather at all. This is, I don't even know what this material is called. But you got like the cut and sewn kind of like on the toe box, like it sticks up like that. So it's like a unique kind of like unfinished look to it. Obviously going around the upper as well. The only part of leather on the shoe is the collar right here. Everything else is like the kind of like, I don't even know what, I can't think of the material name of these. And I think this is leather too. Yeah, the black patch around the Nike swoosh is leather as well. And the insoles, the neon green insoles with the smiley face there. Kind of like that unfinished off-white vibe on the tongue as well with the logo on the back. Jumpman on the tongue with the green color. And then, of course, you got the blue, the green, the yellowish color, a little bit of orange and the red there. Then, like I said, the pink outsole, the hot pink, not hot pink, but like a light pink outsole that I think actually looks really well on the shoe. The patch right here. And that is the shoe. Like I said, I don't know the name of the material. It's like a kind of like a meshy, not really mesh, but like kind of like a meshy material. It's not leather. It's very far from leather, but it looks good. And they did a very good job with this. J Balvin did a good job with the shoe. And to hit on these on Nike sneakers, especially Nike sneakers, but to get exclusive access on Nike sneakers is crazy to me. So I hit the Paranoids Air Force Ones that I did unboxing that you guys will see before this video, hopefully. Then I hit the metallic Jordan ones on sneakers the same week. And then I got exclusive access for these, and they were easy for me to get. Like I said, just went on Nike sneakers at noon when they dropped for the early access, and I got off Nike sneakers within a minute with the Got 'em picture that popped up. So I just want to talk about the laces. So I'm going to grab this other shoe, toss this one down right there. So so they come with black laces, light pink laces, white laces, and the neon green laces. And they also have some of the other patches. So you got 2 basketball patches and 2 of the lightning bolt patches as well, which is pretty cool. I just hope I don't lose these patches. I don't want them to fall off and lose them, but I don't think they'll fall off. But the J Balvin Air Jordan ones, I know I get repetitive in these videos. I just keep saying the shoe name over and over and over again. It's a habit, but for these, it's understandable. So let me know what you guys think of this shoe. And I'm still, like, shocked that, for one, I got early access, but I have them in my hand now. And they are doing mighty fine on the resale market right now. I definitely think they'll go up over time. But I'm not gonna keep them, but I'll definitely hold them for a while. Maybe after seeing them for so long, I'll decide to keep them for personal. But I also forgot to mention the tongues, the logo on the tongue. One has the smiley face, one has the Jumpman, and the Jumpman on the inside of one, and the smiley face on the inside of the other. Kind of hard to see right there, but that's it. So get quick thumbnail real quick. Try to. That'll do. But anyway, guys, that is going to wrap this video. Hope you guys all enjoy. Make sure to check out my Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, gaming channel, resale page, Fizz Kicks, clothing brand Fizz New York. Make sure to like the video, subscribe if you aren't already. Comment down below what do you guys think of these? Did you guys get them at all? Did you get early access on sneakers like I did? Let me know. And that's it. Hope you guys all enjoyed. See you next video. J Balvin Air Jordan 1s. Peace.